Want to create amazing content, script, or even automate your task using ChatGPT on Mac? In this video, I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT with tools step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I make simple tech and AI tutorials. Today, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on Mac, write script instantly, and use tools to boost productivity. So first we'll open a browser and go to the ChatGPT. Just you need a desktop and the internet, and if you are in a Mac, you can go to ChatGPT directly. In Safari you should log in and do the process. It is a simple process. For any app you can do login, and like Instagram or Facebook. Now the main important part of the ChatGPT is to write a correct prompt or simple and easy prompt that the ChatGPT software can easily understand and give us the valid results on smooth results and easy results. For example, the prompt should be like this: write a YouTube video script. You can autocorrect if the spelling is wrong. Script about AI tools with examples. So if you write a prompt like this, you should easily explain your prompt, and the prompt should be not so much lengthy, but all the necessary tokens or keywords should be present in the prompt. Like example, YouTube script video and the name of the channel, AI tools. If I say write a YouTube video script, then ChatGPT will give the script, but it will not give a what called useful script for me. If we give a particular token in prompt, we say this small words like token, so I'm using the word token. If we give a particular word like small word like token, special token means AI tutorials, ChatGPT tools, or productivity tips, and top 5 AI YouTube videos. That time the answer would be simple, and in the next prompt you should write something like this. You should write something, make it more engaging or and beginner friendly, because if it is your first YouTube channel, you should make it more engaging or beginner friendly small videos. It also gives suggestion. For example, if you want, I can also turn this into a short and reel version. You can turn the script into short and reel version, add Hindi Urdu mixed script, and customize for your channel style. For example, funny, educational. If we click on this, for example, what ChatGPT will give us, we will see about it. Look, it also gives us title: AI tools that feels illegal to use. How if you see the title, how engaging it is, you will get attracted to it for what is illegal to use. And if we see the script below, there are tools it will give, like script, railway MA, image generator. Why this matters, for example. And for example, you can also give the prompt like give thumbnail for above YouTube video. It create If you go down, it is creating the image. It will take a trying process. Give thumbnail for above YouTube video, sketching it out. So first way how the YouTube thumbnails were made, we have to go to Canva, we have to search for items. In ChatGPT you give a simple prompt and the image is getting ready. This is how easily we can use ChatGPT in day-to-day lives and day-to-day works. You can write emails about it, You can write a basic code if you want, for example, let it be finishing up, adding a final touch. We will wait for 2 minutes. We'll go above. Look, AI tool that feel legal. How mind blowing is the thumbnail? How many minutes you have to wait? 2 to 3 minutes, and just give a simple prompt. Simple prompt. This is how we can use ChatGPT next level. So, if you, for example, if you want to write emails to your colleges, your office, you can give you can write a simple prompt, write an email to my boss about this holiday, or write an email to my boss about this idea. Or you can ask for if you can even copy the code and correct this code easily, or give me another example of this code, how easily I can write this code in Python or in Java. You can write this prompt, but most important is how you write the prompt. This The writing of prompt is a prompt engineer we have, but the writing of prompt which can give us better result is very important. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and you can comment below about which type of prompts you want to talk about, like business prompt, and there are many types of prompt. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.